see if we can make some kind of order out of this. First place, there's the presumption that education is going to help people. That means that somebody can tell somebody else something that benefits them. Well, that's not necessarily true.
It's certainly not true that everyone has something to tell everyone else.
Well, when I went to school, the teachers were far less in caliber than my parents, and I could sense that. So what I got really that benefited me was from my parents, with the exception of a few teachers. Now, then you multiply that by a large number, and you get poorer and poorer quality of teachers, who then have to be instructed as to what they're going to instruct. And that again is swinging away from the true education process, which is some kind of sensitivity of the teacher to the student, a mutual interchange, rather than a perfunctory system. Well, I've already confused point one. Well, what was point one? The doctrine taught, no, that's number two. The first thing is the presumption that you can teach. The second thing is that the doctrine taught theoretically ought to be better than nothing. Now, as it is now, I think it's worse than nothing. To teach people they're nothing but a bunch of molecules, it would be better to let them alone. Well, again, the problem is so large with the doctrine of democracy, and we must have uniform education for all, that it's very difficult to fix that if you're going to stick to that doctrine.